Dear developers of Noob Defense, uh, the weird thing is that you released a update technically 30 minutes early because it's earlier today before I started recording this video. I look and I see the next update's coming out at 2:31 p.m. I check Discord at around 2 o'clock and the update just casually is out and I have the update log at like 2:01. And make your Roblox events on time with when you release these. Yes, please. But that's a nitpick, so whatever. Anyways, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Noob Town Events video, and that's right. We have our we have I don't know what I'm saying right now. Anyways, we have the Enchantment Overhaul update. And of course, as you already know, we're gonna look at everything, or most of everything, and the update. Anyways, before we start this video, please like and subscribe. It will help me with getting more of these Noob Town Defense videos in the future, with like morale and stuff. I have other videos on this game coming out in the future, as well as other stuff going on that doesn't relate to this game. So check it out on the channel. Anyways, like and subscribe. Yeah, and anyways, let's get started. Besides that rushed intro, our first thing is, of course, new code time. We got new code, and it is Enchant Overhaul. Overhaul, like this. And oh wait, I can't spell. It's supposed to give you 450 gems and 750 coins. Should be like this. Why not? Well, oops. Anyways, after that code, let's get to the actual features. Starting with daily rewards. The daily rewards have once been, it's just for 7 days and stuff. Now it's the whole calendar. So, you log in every day, you get your thing. That's fine. But also, there's also, if you go the whole month, logging in every day, you get a nice unit. For this month, it's the Queen. I don't know what will be next month, but for this month, it's a Queen unit. So yeah, that's nice. Anyways, also the quests have been updated also. Originally they were just on this tab, but now you have these quests on your tab, and you also have weekly and monthly quests to help on like grinds, which I do a lot. Reviews like you, so you're welcome. But anyways, let's go over quick. And then before we talk about enchants, there is one more thing I want to mention before the enchants. Of course, there's more to the update also, but all the features are just here, so it's easier. Anyways, start with the bi-weeklies, with bi-weekly Bob. With their first unit, the Cowgirl. Is the first bi-weekly unit. And to get it, you either have to spend 50,000 gems or 249 Robux to get this limited tower. And it also has a 0.1% chance to be a shiny for each purchase. And now, I don't know why I'm rushing, but anyways, of course, new Enchant Overhaul. Of course, we have these when you don't have anything in there, and it will be different for like what type of unit you put in. So, if I were to put a support one, there would be probably ones that deal with support, and of course there would be like other types like for like DPS. It would be stuff for DPS. But instead of just going over each one, I'm gonna try to get most of them in here right now. So First, we have Wisdom, which increases tower XP by a certain amount. We have Thrifty, reduced upgrade costs. Scrapper increases sell value. Skillshare, which nearby towers will split XP. Resistance gives it a % chance to block a stun or not get stunned. Overclocked, it will gain a certain percentage to all stats for a certain amount of time, which is, for this one, is 25 seconds, and 25%. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Compact, placement area is 25% smaller. Adapting, it's small increases to the weakest stat by a certain percentage. A critical, which adds a certain % chance to deal double damage. Which I don't know why these are all Z's. I don't know why these are all C's. Anyways, execution, which deals blank % extra damage to enemies. He's below a certain percentage of HP. Slayer deals certain percentage of extra damage to bosses and above. Of Culling, I'm pretty sure I've read that up. It deals a certain % of extra damage, because I don't know what these E's are, to fast enemies and less damage to slow enemies. Cleave deals blank % extra damage to slow enemies. And less damage to fast enemies, so just inverse of Culling. Reaper, damage increases by a certain percentage per kill. Or something like that. Max is, I don't know what that number is, stacks. Resets at wave end. Bloodthirsty, firework increases by this percentage per kill. Of course, max stats reset at wave's end. Piercing, which projectiles will pierce through blank additional enemies. It just won't tell me. Ricochet hits also damages nearest target. Semi-auto, every blank shots attacks an additional time. Overkill, that of damage done on a insta-kill transfers to the nearest enemy. Shred 1 ignores damage resistance. And I'm gonna check if that's in. I don't know if there's. Jesus Christ. Holy. And. Oh, yeah, there's other ones. Amplify increases buff strength. Broadcast increases support range. Inspired buffs tower gain and bonus XP. Morale lower level towers gain stronger buffs. And I think that's it. And of course, if I'm missing anything, you could just look right here. It's on the enchant menu. Holy Jesus, that was a lot of enchants. Now, in my opinion, if you like you putting enchants, use it. Yeah, you can use this. I'm not really gonna use most of these enchants. Again, you get a % chance to get them, and it's 50 gems per enchant. And I'm the only one on the server now, anyways. But yeah, but in my opinion, I won't use this much. I bet you probably other players will, of course. But who knows? And then we have 2 more things to mention before we start gaming. So firstly, AFK rewards have been overhauled. Holy jeebers. Yep. So they added more rewards. 50% chance you get 5 to 10 coins, 1 to luck boost potions. Rare is some gems and luck boost potions. 5% chance for epic is another tier of luck boost, and shards. Legendary 1% is lucky potion and AFK crate, and revives, which in that AFK crate you could get a Time Eater, which is a low chance in the crate, and 0.2% you get a hack, 0.2% you get a hacker mythic. So of course under here, you know how AFK stuff works. You see the borrow up, and like every minute you get a reward. See, I just got some rewards. But of course, I'm not gonna sit here. We're gonna game on our final new feature, which is a new raid. What is the new raid? I'm glad you asked. Just introducing our newest raid, a world tour, which I am gonna try, but I'll probably fail at it. I haven't beaten the other raids, and it's a higher difficulty, so great. It has 5 stages, and you have a chance to get a new bar tower by completing the raid. Or if you just complete the raid anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna just get some units on, and then yeah, we'll do it. So yeah, hold on. I gotta master this guy. I'm using this guy a lot in my grinds. Do you? Of course we're going you. Do you? Also, to be completely bumped, I don't know why I'm rushing this, but I don't know. Maybe it's just be digging it out on them for technically releasing the update early, but anyways, let's bring some new ones. Why not? Bring this guy and. So I'm pretty sure some of the old enchants are still here. Like, this one I got from a grind still has hyper on it, so maybe it stays, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But in spite of the update, I do have to. I am gonna give one of them a trait. I'm gonna give the lifeguard a trait. I'm gonna give a lifeguard a trait. So another start. Oh, we get Overhaul. I'm really bored. Okay, hold on. They don't show, you know, is one of, so I guess common? I guess it's common, I don't know. I mean, it's, I've been playing this for like 42 minutes since the update came out. I'm recording this 42 since the update came out, so things can change. But yeah, it was according to there, it was 1 out of 5, so who knows, maybe it's rare. But anyways, let's try to beat them at a world tour. Survive every difficulty. So I guess it's just all the difficulties, so who knows, maybe we'll get far. Who knows, maybe we'll get far. We may only have time for like 1 or 3. Alright, stage 1 of 5, easy mode. 15. Yo, give me my farm shop. also want this Rocketeer down, just in case for flyings. Now, when they're gonna add the new auto upgrade feature? Interesting. Oh, there's the. Yeah, not money. Oh yeah, we'll next out this guy. There's a hard boss here. Oh no, it's just easy mode. Okay, so I see how this works. So this is literally just, apparently just easy mode. This is just all the difficulties. They show me no arrows. Alright, they're going this way. Put this guy down. And they carry my bags! Skip the wave, 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 skip the. There we go. Skip the wave again, I want my Rocketeer down. Also, I'm probably gonna stop at harder when I die. Because the farthest I made it is hard difficulty, so just. But the fact of the day. Actually, you know that. There we go. Problems. Just to make sure. My nemesis flying units. I probably imagine also units with the old Enchants are probably gonna be higher in value because I don't think you can get them. I mean, I only enchanted one time. I haven't used this unit yet, so who knows? It could be different. Holy Jesus, this is amazing. I mean, this difficulty I do in my grind, so it makes sense it should be easy. Oh, furthest I made in a raid, by the way. Because this is goddamn easy mode. The first stage was easy mode. Alright, so. Oh! There we go. Get destroyed. Alright, next wave. Sure. You know there's all around like this doesn't turn off, but it's just switching. 17,000 health. I don't know. Alright, not my minigun. Well, we got these miniguns. There we go. You have to turn it on and off for this. Alright, I'm pretty sure they come out here. So, we want to put you here. Put you here. Interesting. I have to put another one. So we can actually now build up our money. There we go, now they do it. Oh man. There we go, now I can actually open it. Sure we have enough to spare a bunch of units for one day. Almost coming. So what? Since this is actually my first time playing a raid, I will compliment that I like this one. I like how it changes the map every stage. I don't know if it's for like that for the rest of them, but I like how it just changes the stage. We are cooking. Wish I had my minigun there. Yeah, that would be nice. Let's actually try that. Let's actually try. Like I did. 25% damage boost. There we go. Look how good that is. Look how big this guy is. So big, oh no, I can't place it. That's how good it is. So good, I cannot find damage. I'll have to put him on one. What kind of deuce is that, man? Where is there water on this map? This shit is great. Man, I love when I have to put my unit. Where is there water for this guy? This dude, this is water. This is water. Well, I can't use this guy. Oh well. Good to know for when I have to eventually test it. There's a video that is definitely coming soon, guys. Okay, I can't even put it on the freaking. It's on the freaking island. Oh, wonderful. This game tonight. Now we need more. Next boss. Are we gonna slow this down? Because I can actually place this bit down. These guys all need far out. I can't put pro here. What is this? Dude, I could definitely put up next limit. Actually, for this time, so I just took up this guy. It may actually. Just for time. On the editing platform I do, Google Vids basically limits me to 30 minutes because I want to have some editing. So pretty much when I finish this stage. Yeah, pretty much. I have to leave the game and then end the video, and then pretty much end the video. Oh well. Hey, you know what? For a change, I'm gonna end it on this homepage. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos in the future. I am gonna work on like a big one for testing some units. That ain't related to an upcoming update. Like, you'll see when it comes out. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, of course, and have a good one.